for Lollipop TV. And here we are having a very big celebration. The occasion is our warden has passed DSI. So now let's ask the students how they feel on the occasion of DSA having Swapnil Chaudhary, our warden, having passed DSA exam. Let's ask students how they feel, how they celebrate this, like Diwali in Kaiserslautern and Kuchumagar. We have our Swapnil Devale first. We'll ask how he feels in victory of Warden in DSA. Yes, please. Yeah, your views.
बाजींनी जे केलेलं आहे ते बघून आमच्या डोळ्याला एकदम म्हणजे पारणं फिटलं आमच्या डोळ्याचं. त्यांची पूर्ण म्हणतात ना अशी पूर्ण फाडून टाकलेली होती आणि दिवसेंदिवस ते एवढे कमजोर होत जात होते. म्हणजे पहिल्या एक्झामला गेले त्यांना भेटली तारीख दुसऱ्या एक्झामची, दुसऱ्या एक्झामला गेले पुन्हा त्यांना भेटली तारीख तिसऱ्या एक्झामची, तारीखवर तारीख तारीखवर तारीख तारीखवर तारीख. आता काय करावं त्या माणसानं, म्हणजे म्हणतात ना कोर्टाच्या पायऱ्या चढत चढत माणसाचे एकदम हाल हवाल होतात, तसे ह्यांचे DSIच्या पायऱ्या चढत चढत एकदम म्हणजे 10 किलो वजन कमी झालं होतं. मग शेवटी इतकी वाईट हालत झाली आमची, आम्हालाच रडायला आलं होतं त्यांची अवस्था बघून. परंतु आमचे अजित पवार दटग्या यांच्या एकदम अतिशय म्हणजे प्रबळ पाठिंब्याने आणि सहकार्य.
Excuse me, Swapnil, you have talked so long for now, but the thing is, I have not understood Marathi. Translate.
नाही आमचा आवाज तुम्ही एकदम असं म्हणजे नाही का दाबू शकत.
Now also I am not understanding.
तरीही तुम्ही असं दाबायचं नाही.
ओके,
अजूनही नाही का असं अनुस्वार लागायचं
सो
प्रत्येक शब्दांवर.
ओके,
तर त्याच्यामुळे आम्ही खूप आनंदी आहोत आणि एका दिवसात कालच रिझल्ट लागला आणि 2 दिवसात त्यांचं 2 किलो वजन वाढलं. म्हणजे त्यांचे दोन्ही जे मागचे जे आहेत पृष्ठभाग त्याच्यात 1-1 किलो वाढल्याचं आम्हाला दिसून आलं. इतकं छान वाटलं आम्हाला की आम्ही खूप आनंदी झालो एकदम. बस आता गगनात मावत नाही आमचा आनंद आणि धन्यवाद.
ओके, आय थिंक इट्स अ पार्टी टाइम फॉर यू. आय विश यू मोर एन्जॉयमेंट. कम ऑन, एन्जॉय.
चौधरींचा विजय असो.
Okay, thank you so much, Swapnil Devale. Next, we have a very enthusiastic student over here, and he needs to speak about his warden's success. Let's have Vikram Kothari. Hello, Vikram. Your warden of the Kuchumagar Strasse has passed today.
Yes.
With DSA exam after 2 attempts, he has successfully cleared today.
Yes.
And we all know it's a very big time in Kaiserslautern, in Kuchumagar Strasse. We're all having a patio, pagoda, and everything.
Yeah.
So, how do you feel? How did you like to enjoy?
I feel like the Berlin Wall fell in 1989. And this success is going to be written in golden words in Germany, in TU Kaiserslautern. And the IHS and the biotechnology department, they are going to celebrate in Kaiserslautern.
You are already celebrating much, right?
Yes. Okay. But this is just a start. This is going to be a month of celebration.
It will go till Hamburg, till our warden reaches.
Yes.
Okay,
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Vikram Kothari. Next, we have a very close friend of our warden, and he calls him so with pet name as Senapati. Let's have Senapati. He has no words, and he has also cleared the exam with warden. Okay, I am very happy and congratulate you for having passed DSA swiftly, sir.
Thank you very much.
I like Lollipop TV. Brand ambassador, and you are also, I think you will be a future brand ambassador because you are.
Yeah, it's finished.
Yeah, thank you so much. And now I would like to know how happy are you? How happy you feel your warden's success, and you also have succeeded with your warden. How happy are you?
Our warden guided me that see my friend, this DS. Better you take care of your own. So I mean, what precaution is better than cure, you can say. So I took this precaution and I could clear this DSI. So
warden not only got self-motivated, but he has also motivated you. Oh, that's great. How do you like to thank him?
Yeah, I would like to thank you.
And Senapati will feed each other.
That's better.
Also
better remove that condition.
Now everything is finished and now there is condition. So
it's party time. Yes,
it's best and
seen a very small glimpse clips of the party going on here, and we have one more special person to talk about our warden. He is also very much excited to say how he feels on success of warden. Please, Yuvraj, please. Hello, Yuvraj, how do you do?
Hello.
So you already started your party, right?
Yeah.
What do you say? Like,
It's a big occasion today in Kaiserslautern.
Yeah.
Because the fellow from Kaiserslautern is going to rock whole Germany as such.
Yeah, you see, no, right from morning I have been here with our warden. It was very, very, very nervous situation because the results were going to be out, and I was also too nervous. And I saw when warden has just done his Facebook full wall was written with congratulations, like as if he became a dad, and also it was so many calls all over the world from India and everywhere. How do you feel about this?
Yeah, but actually everyone was thinking like he is tense, but it's not. It was not like that because he had a great support of his friend in here, and maybe she's gonna miss him very. I don't have word for that actually.
Okay, maybe it's some surprise friend or will not friend, but it doesn't matter. But we have to enjoy tonight. Thank you so much, Yuvraj.
Thank you.
So here we are seeing the party that's getting over in Kurchumagerstrasse, and I think this will also make a vibrance into you all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye from Ganesh Nageswaran, Lollipop TV.